In this video, we're going to look at getting started with the Closed Caption Converter API. This video is intended for developers and product managers who are interested in automating parts of their closed captioning workflows. Closed Caption Converter can be used to convert and conform closed captioning for video. Additional job types have been added to also support video transcription, translation, automatic QC, and forced alignment of subtitles. We'll be using the Closed Caption Converter web application to help generate the job descriptions used by the API. We'll also be using Postman to test our API calls. Before starting, you'll need to sign up for a trial of Closed Caption Converter by visiting www.closedcaptionconverter.com. Let's start by logging into the Closed Caption Converter web application. Enter your email and password and click Sign In. In the top toolbar, you'll see links for API key, access providers, job description, and job history. The job history dashboard is where you can monitor and export job reports. Let's start by generating an API key. Go to API Keys and click Generate Key. Once the key is created, you can close the panel using the X in the top right corner. Next, let's generate a job description for our API call. To automatically generate the job description, all you have to do is run a simple conversion using the job input form. I'll select a sample SCC file and choose WebVTT as the target profile. Additional options are available in the Advanced Tools section. Here you can set up frame rate conversion, segmentation, and automatic formatting. I'll click the Convert button when I'm ready to run my job. Once the job completes, you'll see the output in the Target Preview tab. The job description for the job is automatically saved in the Job Description panel, which you open by clicking the Job Description option in the top toolbar. You can choose to either copy the job description for use in your application, or you can download a collection which can be opened in Postman for further testing. Let's download the collection. Next, open Postman and import the collection into your workspace. The collection will include 3 HTTP requests: one to submit a job via URL, one to submit a job using form data, and a third request to test the connection with our API server. By default, the collection will be configured to use our test endpoint. Before deploying anything to production, we recommend contacting our support team so they can commission a production system for your team with a custom URL endpoint. This gives you control over when updates are applied and custom profiles are added. Let's open the second HTTP post request and submit our job using form data. You'll notice your API key is already set in the Authorization tab. All you have to do is open the Body tab and attach your sample file. Click the Send button when you are ready. The job will be submitted, and the response will include a target URL and job ID. If we open the target URL, you'll see the WebVTT file contents. We can also switch back to the web application and view the job in the Job History dashboard. Congratulations on submitting your first job via the API. If you have any questions or issues, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team by contacting support@closedcaptioncreator.com. As a next step, you can export the code from Postman into your own application and start automating your closed caption workflows today.